Have you ever wondered why scrolling Instagram feels addictive, but studying feels painful? The answer is simple. Dopamine. Your brain releases dopamine when it expects something rewarding, and you can use that same psychology to make studying addictive. Here are 6 powerful hacks. 1. The dopamine loop. Don't wait until exams are over to reward yourself. After every study session, give yourself a small reward, a coffee, a snack, a short break. Soon, your brain starts linking and studying with something positive. 2. Environment anchoring. Your brain connects places with behaviors. If you study where you sleep, your brain stays in relaxation mode. Create one dedicated study spot, same chair, same desk, same lighting. Eventually, your brain enters focus mode automatically. 3. The 5-minute rule. Don't tell yourself you'll study for 3 hours. Just commit to 5 minutes. Starting is the hardest part. Once momentum kicks in, continuing becomes easy. 4. Progress bar effect. Why are apps so addictive? Because they show progress. Use a checklist or study tracker. Every completed task gives your brain a small dopamine hit, and suddenly you want to finish more. 5. Reframe boring subjects instead of saying, I hate this subject. Ask, what's interesting about this? Curiosity activates attention, and attention boosts learning. 6. Temptation, bundling pair studying with something you enjoy. Lo-fi music, a favorite drink, a comfortable environment. Your brain stops seeing studying as punishment. The truth is, motivation isn't something you wait for. It's something you create. Try just one of these hacks today. Small changes, big brain upgrades, subscribe to BrainSpark. Because here, we don't study harder.